This is Andrea with Enthusiast Only. This is a demo and instructional video of our waterless wash. You need the following materials for your waterless wash. First, you need half an ounce of your Enthusiast Only waterless wash concentrate. You also need a spray bottle, 16 ounces of water, and at least 5 clean microfiber cloths. To measure 1/2 ounce of solution, loosen the cap on the small holding chamber and slowly squeeze the bottle until the holding chamber fills with 1/2 ounce. If this is your first time using the bottle, please remember to remove the seal. Now mix the 1/2 ounce of solution with 16 ounces of water in a spray bottle. We suggest putting the solution inside the bottle first, then pouring the water over it. Now cover your bottle with the top, seal, and shake the bottle for 5 seconds, and you should be good to go. Before you begin, make sure that the surface area of your car isn't too hot. We recommend that you work under a shaded area or semi-shaded area, or even inside your garage. So you want to take your spray bottle, and we're going to spray 2 by 2 feet surface. And you don't want to do more than that because you don't want your solution to dry. So take your cloth and just go ahead and wipe it back and forth like so. And then taking another cloth, you're going to go over the surface and go over it once more. And that's it. And this also works on your windows as well. What you want to do is take your waterless wash solution, spray it onto the surface of your windows. Go ahead and take your cloth, wipe back and forth as well, like so. Then take a clean cloth and go over the surface once more for the best results. That's it. The waterless wash solution also works on your rims. So again, you want to take your waterless wash, spray it on a small surface, let it sit for a few seconds, then take your rag, simply wipe, and this helps take the brake dust off your rims. As you can see. And then next, take a clean cloth and go over your surface once more. Enthusiast Only Waterless Wash Concentrate is made in the USA in a GMP and OSHA approved and inspected facility. Each one of our 16-ounce bottles of concentrate will make 32 ready-to-use 16-ounce bottles. This means you're spending less than $1 per ready-to-use bottle. To purchase Enthusiast Only Waterless Wash Concentrate now, visit enthusiastonly.com.